to another episode. It's been a couple of weeks. I do have something very special in store for you guys. Not just one project car, but two. So the thumbnail might have given away what we're doing, hopefully not, but the special guest right now is about to bring the car in through this door, if it'll run. So hopefully you guys can hear me. It's pretty excellent. Unfortunately, this is the wrong project car, so.
What do you mean?
Bubba, we talked about this, the other car.
Oh, shit.
So now Bubba's gonna take that car away. Hopefully he's gonna bring back the real car. So hopefully now he's about to bring in the right car. I'm pretty sure he is because it sounds a little bit better. I don't know if the title would have given it away. It's a Mitsubishi Magna and Bubba.
Hi.
All right, so here is our donor car that Bubba nearly hit me with, not unlike the other car that he did actually hit me with. This is a Mitsubishi Pajero, not sure on what year. It did actually cost me $300 of my own dollars. Could you believe it?
Oh my God, mate. Bit of a spit and polish, mate. She comes up all right, actually.
It's had a custom tray fitted, or you know, the moss would give it away where a tray would be. Big mud tyres. Honestly, this thing will get you anywhere.
Oh, yeah, you should see the grass growing out the back. Not bad, not bad to the... Don't look in there.
The good news is it's his job to pull the interior apart when we're going to pull the gearbox out of this thing, and then we'll explain what we're actually going to do.
Bit of petrol, light it, she'll be fine, mate. Mate, she's a beauty. They don't make them like they used to.
Hurry up and bring it inside, stop digging around.
Watch this. Oh shit, I got another disease. Built to last. I really can't see where I'm going.
So we're just sitting in the back of the brand new vehicle. This would be the tray area, I would say, Bubba.
Yeah, right.
The moss, as he alluded to, is quite bad, so I hate to think of the insects and spiders this thing's actually brought into my shop. However, it's actually the other end we want. So today we're going to be pulling the motor and gearbox out of this car, and then we might not see the ute anymore.
What do you mean?
It's going to go to the graveyard in the sky.
Or the fucking ground, look at it.
It's returning to the earth, you're right.
Yeah.
However, I think we should probably concentrate on the other side. We'll start to get it on the hoist, get it jacked up, and or jack it off, probably.
I love jacking it off, so it'll be good.
Yeah, so we'll go to the other end, and then we'll get the engine and gearbox out.
Look at it. All right. I don't know if the wheel's loose or... Yeah, no, she's got a bit of rust. Hey mate, she's safe as houses. Look at the wobble. Might need some sway bar bushes. What the actual... Like, I'm no welder, but my God. Did you use an arc welder?
I didn't have a grinder.
A grinder doesn't matter, look at that. My God. That is, that's spectacular. Maybe from here on I might do the welding.
I was in a rush.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah. No, it looks really good. Hey, A for effort. A for effort. There is nothing wrong with that.
Did it work?
I don't think so.
Worst thing in the world. Keep doing it.
It will get better as you go on. Like,
well, it didn't, though, but...
But it could have. Like,
it could have.
You could have, but it didn't. Now look, well done. That's really good.
Much later. Much later.
Oh no, I broke my welds.
Oh yeah. Really?
So the good news is we're going to use this gearbox. I had high hopes for it, and I still do.
I feel confident.
I think it's going to be fine.
That it's completely fixable.
Wanted for you to undo everything inside the car.
Yeah, no, I look forward to getting more diseases. What's wrong with me?
have you considered seeing a doctor?
The last time they put two fit. Hey, how are ya? We're just here, just pulling the gearbox out of the. I think that's the wrong way, actually.
No, that was the right way. It's just tight.
It's just very tight. That reminds me. How you going?
Long time no see.
Hey, yeah, dirty, but it's still recording.
I don't know how this is going to come out.
So we'll get this off.
You didn't even undo that.
All right.
Looking good. Got it. I didn't.
We didn't need that, but you felt powerful, didn't you?
Yeah, I feel good. Both engine mounts are undone.
Are we going to be pulling wires or cutting wires?
What do you think?
I've just been pulled.
Yeah, good.
It seemed to be working.
Are you feeling better?
Feeling is better.
Oh, that broke a lot of shit.
It's all good. Just gotta. I think I need a pooper valve. All right, just peel it back, bud.
You reckon just...
There you go. Bit of light. There we go. Perfect.
Can you get it out now?
I think we should be able to get it out now, yeah.
Just got to be careful not to bust nothing. Don't stand on the dizzy.
Yep. Oh, perfect.
Let's get her out.
Yeah, right. Let's do this. You hold that, I got an idea.
Can you swing the axe up?
Oh, no, I can swing the axe. Hang on. No, but it's not fucking. We'll do the blunt side. There we go.
Hit it with your purse, pussy.
See, it's a wire that's holding it together.
I feel like we've made great strides.
I feel like we've made it worse, man. Ta-da!
Got it.
No, it's close enough, yeah. Well, we're at the stage now where we're ready to pull the motor out. We have been stuffing around for the last 2 hours. We've cut a lot of stuff we shouldn't have cut. We've now tied the strap to the engine with hopes and dreams, but what could possibly go wrong? So, in the name of joy, we'll just start jacking up.
Nah, it's never going to happen. I don't know, I'm stuck on something. I just don't know what it is.
So do it again, or?
No idea. Sure. We should probably do the handbrake up. Other than using my foot for a chock. Oh, the shifter.
The shifter.
That's going to be impossible to get to now. How you going there, Bubs? You good?
Yeah, no, going good.
Yeah, sweet, thanks. What was that? That's a USB. How did it end up outside the car?
Like, as you guys can see, this interior is spick span. I will be burning all my clothes and scrub my skin with a bit of scourer. Most of this interior will be up for sale. One owner. Yeah. Imagine the stories that this car has. Ew. Ugh. All right. When all else fails, you bring power tools. Look at this. All right, watch this. This is going to work a treat. Oh, that one. There we go. We won't need that one. No. There we go. There we go. Oh, wrong bolt. Actually, we'll do that one as well. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's stripped. We won't do that one. We'll leave that one in the drawer. Oh. All right, that means All right, we're good. Oh. Oh, sorry, I saw opportunity, I took it.
No, it's on. That's over. Go up, maybe on
It
the
is on the heat shield on this exhaust.
Yep, good. Oh. Uh-oh, don't do anything. Got it.
So we'll just put this.
Yeah, lock wire. Got it. No. Woo. Got it. 4. Alright, do you want a pole on your side maybe?
It's the exhaust that's stopping us.
Yeah, just fucking yeet it. I don't care anymore. Love it.
That's your problem. It just don't.
You don't care.
You just don't.
Well, that was a lot of vacuum noise. Hey! That sucked.
That sucks big time.
All right, up, Matty, I guess.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, we maxed the crane out.
Uh-oh. Oh. That's perfect.
It's like the worst engine removal ever.
Oh yeah, it's a bit heavy. I reckon, yeah.
Bit of yeah, nah.
Yeah,
nah.
I reckon you've done really well.
That looks important.
Yep, we'll hang on to that.
Yep. All right, so I realised after a couple of days that I didn't actually tell you what we're doing. So this gearbox right here, if we just pick that up, move it all the way to about here. So if you can envision that, we'll get the engine, so it's currently turned this way, we'll turn it that way, and a Pajero and a Magna have the same block. So effectively what we're going to do, bolt the gearbox up to the engine, and then because this is an all-wheel drive Magna, it already has a rear subframe. So all the way down here, there's already a diff, there's already everything we need to make this rear-wheel drive. I think the Magna will be a great competitor to a Commodore or something similar. Who knows? We could put a little supercharger and turbo on this thing. Ultimately, I just wanted to show the world how cool these cars are, because literally every single person always says, I know someone that owned a Magna, my mum owned a Magna, this was great. However, no one's ever said, that Magna's sick. So I'm here to prove to everyone that you can have a sick Magna, and let's do something different, because we've all seen 100 S13s before, but I don't think anyone's ever seen a Magna sideways on track. So let's make that happen. All right, guys, that's going to complete this week's episode. The Pajero gave all of its power. We've got everything we need. So we've got the gearbox, engine mounts, clutch, all ready for some Magna mayhem. So stick around for next week's episode where we cut the tunnel out of this thing. It's gonna get a bit dicey, but trust me, if skids are your thing, who knows? Could be doing something like this one day. We could be doing whatever. Special mention to Bubba for coming on this episode. Loved having him around. If you liked having him around, leave a comment down below. Tell him his feet smell. Other than that, if this is something you're interested in, I would appreciate if you guys would hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and more importantly, tell your mum to subscribe. I know she's been watching. And we'll catch you on a future episode where, I don't know, doing something else random.